just woke up. I think it's snowing.
Hold the doorknob and turn.
Can you see that? Snowing?
It's snowing.
Oh, shut up.
No way. No. I get to see snow in my 18 years of my life.
I'm gonna put my phone out the window.
No, dude, don't do that.
Can you see that? This is just so wow.
Samdi kayo na yung magkaisabado.
Today is another slow morning. I just finished my sandwich. I have Pocari Sweat. My feet really hurt. Yesterday I did a lot of walking, so now I have some cakes that I wanted to try with you. He got it for my brother's birthday, but he doesn't really like cake, so I'm eating it. This one, I think it's a orange cake. Definitely an orange cake. Is this a banana cake? I like that one. It's like a banana cream pie. I think this one is definitely a matcha cake. It's more of like a matcha cheesecake, which is very nice. And I think this one is a sakura cake. I don't know if it's sakura season, but I'm seeing a lot of sakura flowers. I don't like sweet. It's very light. It's very, I don't know. It's not too sweet. All of these are not too sweet, which I like, but I think my favorite one is the fruit. I don't know, but my least favorite one is the orange one. I feel like what really baffled me was how they put their bags in the boxes. Like, all these bags are in a box. This is cute, but it's in a box. Maybe I'm just not wrapping my head around it. Maybe it's just really small. What do you want, AJ? Rin. Costco.
Guys, you just...
Okay. Association now.
So I'm at Loft now, and this place is so cute. There's just a bunch of like little trinkets and things. Like, wow. Literally, look how cute these chopstick strands are. They're so cute. Wait, what is this? Wow. This one's the omu. You hear that? Hell yeah! Sing it! She can sing. Hello. Today is a team lab day. We're gonna go to both of them. It's gonna be super pretty and super fun. I'm so excited. Like my outfit? I love my outfit. There's so many mirrors in here. I'm scared I'm gonna run into one on accident. Wow, butterfly. Butterfly. How'd this work? Yo, will it move? Will it move? Hello? Oh, wow. Made a heart. Wow. What are you doing?
To your right.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally... The floor follows you. Wow, this is like... Wow. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm just...
Wait, keep holding it and watch.
It's literally out of you. I don't know if you can see it, But this is a mirror maze. This is.
Oh, just look at the poles. I'm gonna climb.
Wait, shut up. I can't. I'm gonna crash it. AJ! Oh my gosh. I'm so scared to hit something. What the hell? Oh my gosh, these projections are like far.
Bakit hindi ko makikita?
Patalalang pick up siya?
Huwag ni-stop kayo sa akin na.
So we're just waiting in line for Team Lab Planet. I'm so excited. AJ, look. Oh my god. Okay, maybe not that one.
Yeah, they're like bouncing.
Yeah, Mom. Look,
Oh my
Mom.
Okay.
Yo, I'm at this thing. This dolphin is gonna go up there. Yo, this is my dolphin. I went to here, not knowing what to do, so I just put random stuff on, so I know that my artwork is up. Yo, that's my dolphin. That's my dolphin. Wow. Oh my god! Yo, I don't know if you can see this. This crap. Whoa. I don't know if that I stepped on a person. Wow. Wow. This is water. This is water. Over here is water. They go near you, they explode when they touch you. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need one. I have yuzu ice cream. I've never tried it before. It smells very fresh lemony.
Sour.
Good morning. It's our Mount Fuji day. It's snowing.
the tree's naked.
It's snow.
The tree's got cut in half.
I'm gonna be so cold.
Botanical garden.
Really?
Wetlands.
Oh. Hello. Vivian, hakone. We're supposed to go to Mount Fuji today. We're gonna go there soon. There's snow. Can you see that? The cars were like taking too long, so we just got out of there. It's pretty cool. I'm like triple equipped. Stop doing that. He's like kicking the snow. No, wait, I'm sorry. We're walking like uphill. So this is a real exercise right here for me. Wow, look. Oh wow. Look. Sugoi. Kakkoi. Kakkoi. So kakkoi. I saw boiled eggs. Wait, that's you. You were holding it in this entire time. Eggy.
I've been on this. This is nothing.
Get you ready for the drop. Right here. Wow, this is. That's our thing. First
We got a big old bam.
What the heck?
Go on top.
First class. What are you doing?
Oh, I feel sick already.
It's so nice in here. The kuro, how do you say duck? Kuro duck. Kuro kamo. We're gonna try the black egg that everyone keeps talking about. Oh look! 見て。Wow. I'm gonna get one. Okay, we have my food. Wow. Hell, they're taking a picture. Someone dropped their ice cream. No. 一つ抹茶お願いします。
Want to try the, what is this? Shine?
一つ shine muscat はい。美味しい。Yo, this is the Lawson that everyone goes to that I've seen on Instagram just to see Mount Fuji. Now we see it. Wait.
Like nothing.
Shut up, Dad! You're in my shot! Dad, you're in my shot! What is tourist? You get it? You get it?
Yeah. I'm getting it.
You're not getting it! We're gonna go to that ramen place that you always see on Instagram. I heard it's mid, so I hope it's not gonna be mid.
Tapos go.
I like Yay! He's just filling out all the recommended.
Generic. Strong, rich,
Sliced pork
medium.
times 2.
We're at Shibuya, the Shibuya crossing.
One, two. Go, Ate and AJ in the middle.
That's so annoying. I'll just turn off your alarm every morning.
Look at these keychains, bro. They're so great. Look at the strawberry one. This one's actually really cool. Oh my gosh. It's just so much. Dude, we got so much. Yeah.
Good day, Jay.
Going to an sorry, there's like the wind is like drying my contacts. Aquarium. Oh my gosh. And it's kind of chilly, but it's not too much.
行きましょう。行きましょう。No idea what this is.
You see that? They're swimming.
Can you see them? Look! Wait, you can't even see them. Right there, look. Oh, cute.
Look, we're like in the middle of the ocean. Like this thing is built in the middle of the ocean. It's hella crazy.
Eh, ba't wasak siya? Hindi na doon makita.
Saan ko na donut?
Kasi sanay na sanay yan. Sugar ang gusto niya.
The guy's telling you to go low. It's our last.
Hi, gozaimasu. Hi, hi.
We're at McDonald's and I almost dropped both trays. So the employees have to help me. That was embarrassing.
I always see the shaky, dum dum.
You put your fries in here, and then you put this in, and then you shake it, and then you have like flavored fries.
Last meal in Japan.
I touched it a cold. Hi, YouTube.
Looking around, and no one's hair is being affected by this freaking wind.